Unlocking success, how to earn money through music revenue sharing on Facebook. Have you ever wondered how you could earn money through your music on Facebook? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock success by leveraging Facebook's music revenue sharing program. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Facebook page for your music. This will be the hub for all your activities and engagement with your fans. Treat it like your virtual stage. Once you have your page set up, it's time to upload your original music. This is your chance to showcase your talent and share your work with the world. Make sure your tracks are of high quality and resonates with your target audience. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your music. Facebook offers a revenue sharing program that allows you to earn money through your music content. All you need is to join an eligible music distribution partner and opt for music monetization. Once you're approved, Facebook will automatically identify and claim your music in videos across the platform. This means you'll earn a share of revenue whenever your music is used in videos, including user-generated content. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to engage with your fans to build a loyal community. Reply to comments, go live, and create exclusive content to keep them coming back for more. Remember, your fans are your biggest supporters. So, are you ready to unlock success and start earning money through music revenue sharing on Facebook? Start by setting up your page, uploading your music, and applying for monetization through an eligible partner. And remember, keep engaging with your fans to build a thriving community. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips, tricks, and insights into the world of music revenue sharing on Facebook. Keep creating, keep sharing, and keep unlocking success.